Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS TUF Gaming K1. In this video I'll show you key combinations. Press Fn button and F9 to skip to previous track or chapter. Press it with F10 to play pause, with F11 to skip to next track or next chapter, and with F12 to mute or unmute. For light effect switch, press Fn and right, or Fn and left. For light effect brightness, Fn plus up to increase, or down to decrease brightness. To change profiles, select Fn plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the default profile. To lock Windows key, press Fn and Windows key. To select factory defaults, press and hold Fn and escape button for 15 seconds. To create on-fly macro, press Fn and left Alt to start recording. Now create macro. Select Fn plus left Alt to end recording, and select buttons from F1 to F8 to create macro. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.